The Black & Decker XL Blast Drink Machine is all you need to create frozen drinks, creamy smoothies, and delicious cocktails. Made of durable Eastman Triton plastic, the XL 72-ounce jar holds all your party favorites and family-sized smoothies perfectly. With 4 speeds, plus pulse, and a powerful 650-watt motor, the XL Blast tears through ice and delivers perfectly consistent blends every time. The preset auto function makes margaritas, daiquiris, shakes, and smoothies easier than ever. Keep your drinks cool for hours in the innovative insulated chill sleeve. The reclosable pour spout and removable shot glass are the finishing touches that complete your XL Blast party. Whether serving blended drinks for yourself or a group of 12, the Black & Decker XL Blast Drink Machine is a life of every party.